Hello, good morning dear students. So in the previous class we solved two problems which are related to pair of linear equation in two variables. So similarly I have here another question. The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month the cost of 4 kg apple and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent this in the graph. Okay, so yesterday we solved this kind of problems. Now, so at the end of the last class, so we got one graph, and both the graphs, both the lines are intersecting in that graph, and I told you that so it has a unique solution. And I also told you that I will explain that in the later class. So this is our chart. So first one is a1 by a2 that is not equals to b1 by b2, and next one a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 that is equals to c1 by c2, and the third one is a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is not equals to c1 by c2. So these are the three conditions to find out whether the pair of linear equations have unique solution or they does not have any solution or they have infinite many number of solutions. Okay, so to know that also we can use another three words. That is, first one is consistent, then next one is dependent, next one is inconsistent. So first one is consistent, dependent and inconsistent. So these are the three conditions and these are the names which is related to that. So first one, that is consistent. So for example, if you consider a pair of linear equation and if the lines of that pair of linear equations are intersecting. See here, I will consider this first case. I will consider any two pair of lines. So I will consider the first line as ax plus b1 by plus c1 is equals to 0, and the second line as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So this is the general form of the linear equation. And why it is called as linear equation? Because here exponent power is 1. Okay, so exponent power is 1, therefore the degree of the equation is 1. So degree means highest power of the variable, highest power of the variable. And see here, here variables are x, y, here also x, y, and the exponent value is 1. So therefore they are called as linear equation. If the exponent value or the degree of the equation is 2, then we can name that equation as quadratic equation. If the degree is 3, then we can name that as cubic equation, or if generally we can consider that as polynomials. Okay, so now I will consider the first case. So whenever any question is given, so for example this mathematical statement is given, first what you have to do, you have to find the mathematical expression for that. You have to find the mathematical expression for that. Then after that, so for example this is our mathematical statement. So here a1 means the constant term, b1, c1 they are constant terms. Similarly a2, b2, c2 they are called as constant terms or the coefficient of this variable. Here a1 and a2 are coefficient of x, here b1 and b2 are coefficient of y, and here c1 and c2 are constant terms. Okay, so now, so if this is our equation, so in the previous problem we analyzed the wording, then we found the mathematical expression, then we used the value of x and y, we framed out tabulation, and after that we drawn a graph, and finally when the graphs are intersected we told that they are intersecting. And now I am telling you one thing. So by seeing this tabulation you can directly tell the nature of the graph without marking the points on the graph. So that condition is this one. For example, I will consider 3x plus 5y is equals to 7. So 7 is on that side. So when we take this to left hand side, it becomes minus 7. So I will add as minus 7 is equal to 0. And another one is 4x, or I will consider 4x plus 7y is equals to or minus 14 is equals to 0. So these are the two equations I considered, and now I have to tell whether this gives a single solution or multiple solution or infinite many number of solution, or it does not give a solution. So to do that, what we have to do? We have to use the value of x or y, then we have to substitute that values, and finally we are getting one tabulation, and after that we have to draw the graph. So then only we can tell the nature of graph. But by using this condition, we can tell the nature of graph directly without the constructing. So I will use this. So this is A1. What we have to do? We have to find out value of A1, A2 and B1, B2, C1 and C2. So I will consider A1 by A2. So A1 by A2 values, A1 is 3, A2 is 4. Now find out what is the value of B1 and B2. What is the value of B1 and B2? So here B1 and B2, see here, B1 and B2, that is equals to 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So A1 by A2 is 3 by 4, B1 by B2 is 5 by 7. Whether they are equal? No, they are not equal. So see the first condition, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. We have to find the ratios of the coefficients of x, y as well as the constant term from the given pair of linear equations. Here they are not equal to each other. So when they are not equal to each other, what is the condition? They are intersecting. The lines which we are going to draw in the graph, they are intersecting. So without making the points or marking the points, we can recognize the nature of graph. When they are intersecting, they are having only a unique solution or a single solution. When the two lines are intersecting, then they are having unique solution, and when they are having unique solution, they are known as consistent. So therefore, what is meant by consistent? So when two pair of linear equations are given, and when they are having a single solution, then that kinds of equations are known as here consistent. That kinds of equations we are known as consistent. Okay, so the nature of graph is intersecting when A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. We have to find the coefficient of x, y, and we have to find the next one. So for example, if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, and then C1 by C2 is equals to B1 by B2, then no need to consider this third one. Only first is enough. When the first two terms are not equal, no need to find out the last one. So then we can directly tell that lines are intersecting and they have unique solution and they are consistent. Okay, in next exercise they will ask find out whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or not. So then we have to use this mathematical expression. And in second case, I will consider another one. So I will consider 6x plus 10y minus 14 equals to 0. Minus 14 equals to 0. This is the equation I consider. First, what we have to do? We have to find out coefficient of x, y, and constant. I consider A1 by A2. So coefficient of x is how much? So what is the value of A1? Just comment first. What is the value of A1? So value of A1 is here 3 and value of A2 is 6. Okay, so 3 by 6 it becomes 3 1s are 3 2s are. So therefore we are getting 1 by 2 as the answer. Then I will the second B1 by B2. So B1 value is 5 and B2 value is 10. Then it becomes 1 by 2. Similarly, I will consider C1 by C2. C1 is minus 7. Along with the sign we have to consider. Okay, C1 is minus 7 and C2 is minus 14, 7 ones are 7 twos are, so minus minus gets cancelled. So again we got the ratio as 1 by 2. A1 by A2 we got that as 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2, and C1 by C2 is also equals to 1 by 2. So if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, then no need to find out C1 by C2. Okay, so if the first two expressions, that is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, then only we have to find out C1 by C2. If C1 by C2 is equals to B1 by B2, that is equals to A1 by A2, that means they are coincident. They are coincident. That means they are overlapping on each other. The two lines, the two pair of lines are overlapping on each other. So I will draw a small graph here. So this is the first graph, and the second graph will present on the first graph. Okay, both the lines are overlapping with each other. So in that case, we are getting the lines are coincident, and when they are coincident, they are having infinitely many solutions. They are having many solutions. So the intersecting points, we can mark all the points x1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So like that it will continue. So therefore, when a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is equals to c1 by c2 is the case, then we are getting infinitely many number of solutions. And that kind of solutions are known as dependent solutions. That kind of solutions are known as dependent solutions. Okay, so what is meant by dependent solution? So if in the pair of linear equations are given, and when they are satisfying this condition, that is a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 that is equals to c1 by c2, then the equations are having infinitely many number of solutions. So that kind of equations are known as dependent solutions. So now I will consider the third case, that is inconsistent. So consistent means the solutions having unique, the equations are having unique solution, and dependent means the pair of linear equations are having infinitely many number of solutions, and inconsistent means the pair of linear equations does not have any solution. Okay, consistent means single solution, dependent means infinitely many number of solutions, and inconsistent means they does not have any solution. So I will consider the same equation. One is 3x plus 5y minus 7 equals to 0, and the second equation I will consider as 6x plus 10y minus, I will consider the constant term as 15 equals to 0. Now what it becomes? A1 by A2 same, 3 by 6, 3 by 6 it gives 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2 5 by 10 it gives again 1 by 2. Then last step C1 by C2, what we are getting here? So minus minus gets cancelled, but also I will write minus 7 by minus 50. If minus minus gets cancelled, what is the remaining here? Only 7 by 50 is remaining. So therefore, A1 by A2 that is equals to B1 by B2. So both ratios are equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But C1 by C2 is not equals to the previous case. So therefore, in that case, we are getting parallel lines. So when the lines are parallel to each other, then we does not have any solution. So that means the pair of linear equation do not have any solution. And if the pair of linear equation does not have any solution, then that kind of equations are known as inconsistent. That kind of equations are known as inconsistent. Okay, so this is the key for your graph. So you can analyze the graph also, as well as you can find out the solutions also by using this method. So first case, if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, then the lines are intersecting with each other and they are having unique solution and they are known as consistent. So consistent means the pair of linear equations are having a single solution. And the second case, that is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 and that is equals to C1 by C2. Then that and that kind of equations are having infinitely many number of solutions, and if the pair of linear equations are having infinitely many number of solutions, then they are known as dependent solution. They are known as dependent solution or dependent equation also we can call. Then the third case, if a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is not equals to c1 by c2, then that kind of equations are known as parallel equations, or the lines which we are getting from the equations are parallel and it does not have any solution, and if the equations does not have any solution, then we are calling that kind of equations as inconsistent equations, or that solutions as inconsistent solution. Okay, so this is the main thing. So this is general form, that is a1x plus b1 y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, and here a1 and a2 are the coefficient of x, b1 and b2 are coefficient of y, and c1 and c2 are constant term. So by using that we have to find out the ratio. So while considering the ratio we have to use the coefficient as well as we have to take the signs also. Okay, whether they are positive or negative we have to consider that in the expression, otherwise we are getting wrong. For example, instead of considering minus, if I consider plus, so then if the answer is 1 by 2, actual answer is 1 by 2, if I miss one sign then it becomes 1 minus 1 by 2. So then we can call that the two terms are not equal. So directly we are getting the lines are consistent. So but actual answer is what is the, so that may be dependent or that is inconsistent. So therefore along with the terms we have to use the signs also. Okay, so this is about the how to find out the nature of graph, how to find out the nature of graph. So whether they are consistent, dependent, inconsistent. So I will ask you the question, what is mean by consistent, or how many solutions are present in consistent? So comment in the comment box fast. So how many solutions, or if a pair of linear equations are consistent, then how many solutions it will have? First, 1, 2, options are 1, 2 or many. So it has only single solution. And dependent means how many solutions are present? 1, 2 or many. So for the dependent solutions, so the number of points we are getting or number of solutions we are getting as many, or that is also known as infinite. And if the two pair of linear equations are inconsistent, then they are does not have any solutions, and they are known as parallel lines. Okay, when the lines are intersecting they are consistent, when the lines are coincident, that means they are overlapping on each other, they are known as dependent, when the lines are parallel to each other then they are known as inconsistent. Okay, so this is about the tabulation. Now we will go to the question. We will solve the problems in the next class which are related to this. Okay, also in the next exercise they give many questions, so in that we have to use this tabulation. So now we will solve this problem. A cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. We don't know the exact value of apples as well as grapes. So, but the quantity is given. Apple is 2 kg and grapes is 1 kg. So therefore, we have to use x and y as the cost of apple and grapes. So I will consider, let cost of apple is rupees x. Okay, I will consider the cost of apple is rupees x and the cost of cost of grapes is rupees 5. Cost of apple is rupees 6 and cost of grapes is rupees 1. So then what we have to consider? We have to consider the first line, and the first line is the cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. So we have to write the statement here. Okay, so after writing the statement we have to write the mathematical expression for it. So here cost of apple is rupees 6 and how many quantity is 2 kg. So therefore I can write here 2x. Okay, so 2x, 2 is the quantity and x is the cost of apple, plus, and the second one 1 kg of grapes. So quantity is how much? 1 kg, so no need to write, and cost of grapes is rupees 5. So therefore it becomes 2x plus y, and so cost of 2 kg of apple and grapes is rupees 60. So therefore right hand side becomes 160. Therefore right hand side becomes 160. Okay, so this is the first mathematical expression. So I will use the 3 cases here only. Okay, after completion of this and after writing the tabulation of the first equation, I will consider the second equation. So I will write here, therefore y becomes 160 minus 2x. So 2x is on the left hand side, when I take this to right hand side it becomes minus 2x. So 160 minus 2x, then I have to find the case 1. So I will write the tabulation here. 1, 2. So first one is x and y, or we can consider y and x. Okay, so here I will substitute for y. I will consider the x value and I will substitute. So when I will consider x as 10, then what is the equation becomes? Y equals to, or y x, when x equals to 10, y becomes 160 minus 2 into 10, y equals 160 minus 2 into 10, 20, y equals to 140. 160 minus 20, 140. So therefore, when x equals to 10, y value is 140. Okay, this is the first case. Now I will consider value of x as 20. So find out what is the value of y when value of x is 20. Find it fast. So find out what is the value of y when value of x is 20. So I will write here case 2. When x equals to 20. When x equals to 20, the equation is y is equals to 160 minus 2x. So therefore y equals to 160 minus 2 into x value is 20 in this case. So therefore it becomes y is equals to 160 minus 2 to the 4 and then 0. So therefore value of y becomes 160 minus 40, it becomes 120. So therefore when x equals to 20, y value becomes 1. Okay, so here first case 10 to the 20, so 160 minus 20 is 140. In second case it is 20. 2 to the 4, 40. 160 minus 40 gives 120. Now we have to consider the third case 3. So when x equals to 30, I will say. So find out what is the value of y when x equals to 30. What is the value of y when x equals to 30? So find out fast. What is the value of x or value of y when x equals to 30? Substitute that value in. Y is equals to 160 minus 2x. So I will consider this equation as equation number 1. Okay, substitute in that equation. So what it becomes? Y is equals to 160 minus 2 into value of x is 30. So y is equals to 160 minus 3 to the 6. So y becomes 160 minus 60, it gives 100. So therefore, when value of x is 30, value of y becomes 100. Okay, now we got 3 values of x as well as 3 values of y. That means we got 3 coordinate points. The first coordinate point is in bracket 10, 140, and second is 20, 120, and third is 30, 100. So by now we have to draw the x and y axis and we have to mark the points, so which are present in the tabulation, and we have to join the line. Okay, we have to join the line. We have to do this first. Okay, so now this is the first case. So when the cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 100. This is the first case. Now we have to find the second case. So it remains same. Cost of apple is rupees x only and cost of grapes is rupees y. I will find out the next part. Now we have to consider the second statement or the second part of the question, and we have to frame the mathematical expression for it. So I will consider, so you have to write, after a month the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. So therefore mathematical expression becomes, so total quantity of apple is 4 kg and cost is x plus the quantity of grape is 2 kg and cost is y, and the total sum is how much? Rupees 300. Rupees 300. So then here common terms are present. We can remove that or we can consider as it is. Okay, so I will remove that. It becomes 2x plus y equals to 2 into 1, because 2 2s are 4, x plus 2 into y 2y equals to 150 into 2, it is 300. So 2 gets cancelled, remaining is 2x plus y is equals to 150, or y is equals to 150 minus. So 2x plus y is equals to 150. So that means y is equals to 150 minus 2x. So now same procedure we have to follow. We have to find out 3 values of x such a way that we must get a whole number as value of y. So case 1. Okay, case 1, I'll consider saying x value as 10. So find out what is the value of y in this equation. So I'll consider this as the second equation. So substitute the value of x in the second equation and find out the answer fast. And write that in the comment box. So substitute the value of x in equation number 2 and find out the value of y. So I will consider when x equals to 10. So when x equals to 10, equation 2 becomes y is equals to 150 minus 2 into x value is 10. Y equals to 150 minus 10 into 2, 20. So y is equals to 130. 150 minus 20, it gives 130. So therefore, when x equals to 10, y value becomes 130. Okay, so this is the first case. Now second case we have to find out, we can choose any values. So I will consider same values. I will consider 20 as the value. Now find out what is the value of y when x equals to 20. So find out first. Case 2, when x equals to 20. When x equals to 20, find out the value of y. Okay, so y is equals to 150 minus 2 into 20. Y equals to 150 minus 2 to the 4. Y is equals to 1. Yes, your answer is correct. That is 110. So therefore, when value of x is 20, value of y is 110. So this is the second case. Now we have to find out the third case. So I will consider the same value of x as 30. Find out first what is the value of y when x equals to 30. So I will add a case 3 here. Case 3. When x equals to 30. So when I am solving, you have to solve. So then only you get whether you are getting the point or not. Okay. So case 3. So y. So find it first and write comment that answer in the comment box. So what is the value of y when x equals to 30? So I have substitute here. So our expression is 150 minus 2x. So y equals to 150 minus 2 and value of x is 30. So therefore it becomes y is equals to 150 minus 3 to the 6. Then y value becomes 9. Correct? So therefore when x equals to 30, y value becomes 9. So this is the method of solving. Okay? So you have to analyze the expression and you have to write the mathematical expression for that and you have to frame one tablet. Now already in the graph you draw the first line. Now we have to use this value of x and y. So that means you have to use the coordinate points of the second equation. So that is x comma y, that is 10 into 10 comma 130, then 20 comma 110, then 30 comma 90. So then you have to mark the points in the graph and you have to draw the line. Now tell me whether this expression gives a unique solution or it gives infinitely many number of solutions or it does not give any solution. So second equation is here, that's I will consider right here 2x plus y or I will consider 2x plus y is equal to 1. And the first equation what I wrote is 2x plus y equals to 160. Okay, first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 160 and the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 150. See, value of a1 by a2 it gives 1, b1 by b2 it gives 1, but c1 by c2 they are not equal to each other. So that means the two lines are parallel to each other. The two lines are parallel to each other and when the two lines are parallel to each other they does not have any solution. They does not have any solution. Okay, so you have to draw the graph for this and you have to find out the nature of graph. So therefore, so what you learned in this class is, so what is mean by consistent? So consistent means the pair of linear equations are having a single solution and the lines are intersect with each other. And Inconsistent means the pair of linear equation does not have any solution and the lines are parallel to each other. And the third case, that is dependent, when the pair of linear equations lines are coincident with each other or the lines are overlapping on each other. Okay, based on this you have to use this tabulation or use this conditions, and you have to tell the nature of graph. So if a1 by a2 that is not equals to b1 by b2, so that means the lines are consistent, and if a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is equals to c1 by c2, then that is dependent, and if a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is not equals to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel to each other and they does not have any solution. Therefore, they are known as inconsistent. Okay, so we'll solve the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you. Who are not subscribed, subscribe now.